So in this problem, we have a circle with a diameter of 50 centimeter. An arc is formed with a length of 11 centimeter. What is the angle in degrees subtended at the center of the circle by this particular arc? So that means here we have a circle and we have an arc of 11 centimeters. So let's call this point A and this point B. Here is the center of the circle. We're going to join CA and CB. So it's given here that the length of arc AB, this length is equivalent to 11 centimeter. And the radius, so we don't know the radius, but we are given the diameter. So the diameter, which is 50 centimeter, divided by 2, that's going to give us the radius of a circle. So that's 25 centimeter. Fine. Now that we have the radius of 25 centimeter and arc of like 11 centimeter, our goal is to find out the angle, central angle theta, or we can say the angle subtended at the center of the circle by this particular arc AB. Okay, let us begin. So here what we'll do, we're going to use the fact we know that whenever we have the angle measure theta or the central angle, this is given by the arc length. Arc length is going to be the arc AB divided by the radius of a circle. So arc length that's given is 11 centimeter divided by the radius, or radius is 25 centimeter. So this comes out to be 11 over 12. And usually whenever we have a value in this fashion, the ratio 11 over 25, this is nothing but in radian measure. This is always comes out to be in radian measure. But in a problem, clearly we have to find out our result in terms of degrees. So we'll have to convert first the angle radians to its degree measure. So that's very simple. If we want to convert from radians to degrees, all we have to do is, let's say we have to remember that pi radian, that corresponds to 180 degrees, which means 1 radian will be simply 180 over pi degrees. So that means since we have 11 over 25 radians, all we have to do is take 11 over 25 and multiply it with 180 over pi. Now what we'll do, we'll replace the value of pi with its approximate value. So instead of taking 3.14, what we'll do, we'll take 22 over 7. So we'll have 11 times 2, so that's 22, 2 times 90, and we have 5 times 5 is 25, then 5 times 8, so that's 90. So we have 18 times 7, so that's going to be 126 divided by 5. So this is in degrees. So now our next task will be to convert the degree measure to its minute equivalent as well. So let's do that. So here we have obtained that theta is 126 degree. 126 over 5 degree. So this can be also expressed as 25 1 over 5 degrees. Or we can simply say 25 degrees and 5 degrees. However, we know for a fact that if we have 1 degree, so that corresponds to 60 minutes, which means that 1 over 5 degree will be simply 60 over 5 minutes, which is 12 minutes. So that means we have 25 degrees, 12 minutes, and this corresponds to option number B. So this is the correct option.